The title of our topic is Frequency in Research with Examples. First, introduction to frequency in research. Frequency refers to the number of times a particular event, characteristic, or response occurs in a dataset. Understanding. Frequency is essential for a data analysis as it provides insights into patterns and trends. The presentation will explore the role of frequency in quantitative research and provide relevant examples. Types of frequency. There are different types of frequency, including absolute frequency, relative frequency, and cumulative frequency. Absolute frequency counts the exact number of occurrences of specific value in a dataset. Relative frequency expresses the proportion of occurrence relative to the total number of observation. Absolute frequency. Example, in a survey of 100 people about their favorite fruit, 30 choose apples. Here, the absolute frequency of respondents favoring apples is 30. This metric helps researchers understand the popularity of apples compared to other fruits. Thank you.
Relative frequency example. Continuing with the fruit survey, if 30 out of 100 people choose apples, the relative frequency is 0.30 or 30%. This indicates that 30% of respondents prefers apples over other fruits. Relative frequency is particularly useful when comparing groups of different sizes. Cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency is the sum of the frequencies for all values up to a certain point. It helps in understanding the distribution of data and identifying trends. For instance, if 10 people prefers orange and 30 prefers apples, the cumulative frequency for apples would be 40. Frequency distribution table. Frequency distribution tables organize data into categories and display their frequencies. They provide a clear overview of how data points are distributed across different range. Researchers often use these tables to identify modes and range in their datasets. Thank you.
Histogram as visual representations. A histogram is a graphical representation of frequency distribution. It displays the frequency of different range of data as bar, making it easy to visualize information. Histograms are valuable for identifying the shape and spread of data distribution. Application of frequency in social research. In social research, frequency analysis can reveal public opinion trend over time. For example, tracking for frequency of specific responses in longitudinal studies can highlight shift and attitude. This information is vital for policy makers to understand the needs and preference of population. Importance of frequency analysis. Frequency analysis enhance the accuracy of research finding by providing essential data insight. It aids in hypothesis testing and information decision-making process. Ultimately, frequency analysis support research in drawing meaningful conclusions from their data. Conclusion: understanding frequency is fundamental to conducting effective research across various fields. By analyzing frequency, research can uncover hidden patterns and trends that inform their study. The example provide illustrate the practical application of frequency in research.